Welcome to Basics, where we unravel the mysteries of Google. Today, let's dive into the digital wonders that await with every search. Let's start with the basics, the search bar. Type in your queries and for precision, use quotation marks. It's like having a genie fulfill your specific wishes. Explore the search results page. Check snippets for a quick overview and click on promising links to discover hidden treasures. Refine your search with filters and categories. Images, news, videos. Google is your personalized treasure map. Notice those playful Google doodles? They celebrate history and more. Click to unlock hidden stories and knowledge. Get ready for fun. Google hides Easter eggs. Try searching "Do a barrel roll" or "The answer to life, the universe, and everything." Tired of typing? Use voice search. Click on the mic icon and ask away. It's like having your own digital assistant. Dive into the Google ecosystem. Start with Gmail, your digital mailbox. Organize, search, and communicate seamlessly. Next, Google Drive, a collaborative wonderland. Store, share, and edit documents in real time. Teamwork made easy. Hit the road with Google Maps. Navigate, explore, and discover hidden gems. It's your digital compass to the world. Become a power user with shortcuts. Ctrl+T for a new tab, Ctrl+F to find, and Ctrl+Z to undo. Navigate like a digital ninja. Unleash the potential with advanced search operators. Use Cite for site-specific searches or File Type for specific file types. Customize your Google experience. From backgrounds to search settings, make Google truly yours. And that concludes our journey, BLA Harova Explorers. Google is more than a search engine. It's a gateway to endless possibilities. Keep exploring, keep discovering. Until next time, happy Googling. This is BLA Harova signing off. Stay curious.